That's right, guys. It's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this time from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. And guess what? It's time to celebrate. That's right. It's a Friday. The weekend is almost here. And guess what? We're about 6 days removed from Christmas. Hope you got your shopping done, because I got a lot of shopping to do as well. And with that stated, because I've got to run out of here and spend some more money to support the economy by buying gifts for everybody, we're going to get this started a little bit early. That's right. It's time to grab yourself a drink. Raise the glass, that is if you happen to have some more money left, and it's time for an early edition of Happy Hour here in the Big Apple. Now, as the week comes to an end, the U.S. stocks, they're inching higher Friday afternoon here on the floor of the stock exchange, this time with the Dow and the S&P on track to post its second best week in more than 2 years. This as investors continue to applaud the recent jump in crude oil prices. Now, during a session that lacked, for the most part, major economic reports, investors again turned to last Wednesday's decision by the FOMC to hold rates steady while also being patient in regards to future interest rate hikes. Now, also adding to gains, that's right, we have crude oil prices for January delivery, which has rallied $1.84. That's more than 3.25% to $55.95 a barrel. This just one day after crude oil, well, technically yesterday, jumped 3% as well. I think we might be smelling a rebound in the commodities markets. Well, maybe that's not what I'm smelling here on the floor because it is lunchtime. But at the same time, when you combine that with the U.S. dollar seeing quite the rise, as well as a rise in gold prices, then you have yourself a session where for every 3 shares declining here on the floor of the stock exchange, 4 has been on the upside. And with that stated, let's now take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to close out not just the session, but the week as well. Meanwhile, we conclude on the corporate front. We first begin with shares of BlackBerry, which continue to fall this after the wireless device maker posted a larger than expected quarterly revenue decline. And at the same time, we still have to mention CarMax, which rose after the used car seller reported a 16% rise in its quarterly revenue. So there you have it. Kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink. I'll see you guys on Monday morning. And if you've got to go out there and spend some more money, I hope you guys have some money Monday morning, because Christmas is, like I said, just 6 days away. Wish me luck, I wish you luck, and I'll see you guys after the weekend. From OnWallStreet.com, I'm James Sweeney.